Hi, third grade. Today we are going to begin our Martin Luther King Jr. project. We talked a little bit about this last week, but I am going to give you more specific directions right now. So as you're listening, our substitute teachers should be coming around and giving you your rough draft paper. On this rough draft paper, you are going to write what Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream was. Be very specific. Remember, we're third graders, not first graders, so let's try to write a lot of description in our sentence. After you're done with Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream, I want you to think about your dream. Although some of you might have dreams like become an NFL football player or become really rich and own a fancy car like a Lamborghini, that's not the type of dream that we are focusing on for this project. We want to think about dreams that we have for the world or maybe for other people. Think about things like kindness and including others. Think about things that are going on in the world. Maybe something like pollution or littering is really frustrating to you and you have a dream about that. Or maybe something upsets you about how we're treating nature or animals. That would be an acceptable dream. I don't want you to think of a selfish dream right now. I want you to think of a dream that would help our world. So that is the dream that you should be focusing on for your second bubble for your dream. Again, you should be descriptive. You should use strong vocabulary. We are not writing like first graders. These will be hung in the hallway, so make sure you write something that you are proud of. Spelling does not count today. I will be checking these tomorrow whenever I'm back at school. So I hope that you will impress me and make me proud with the dreams that you come up with. When you are finished, I did pull some books from the library about Martin Luther King Jr., but there are only a few of them. So you may take turns sharing them and reading through them, looking at the graphics and pictures. If there's no library books available, then you may go on Epic and research Martin Luther King on there and pick a book to read. Okay, good luck. At this time, you may close your iPad and get started on your rough draft. See you tomorrow.